We are looking at how to pronounce this name. An ancient queen. Two different ways of pronouncing it. Boudicca, Boudicca, with a stress on the first syllable, or Boudicca, it's sometimes often spelled with only one C as well. We are looking at how to pronounce this name. An ancient queen. Two different ways of pronouncing it. Boudicca, Boudicca, with a stress on the first syllable, or Boudicca, it's sometimes often spelled with only one C as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.